Join me as I dive into the brand new MacBook Pro M4 Max and see if I can fully test its AI capabilities to the max. The next generation of MacBook Pros has finally arrived, and with it, a whole new level of innovation and performance. The M4 Max AI laptop is stealing the spotlight, and for good reason. As professionals and creatives continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, their laptops need to keep up, but we'll get into that in a minute. As we all know, current laptops just aren't cutting it when it comes to performance and efficiency. Whether you're a video editor, a graphic designer, or a developer, you know the struggle of waiting for your laptop to catch up with your ideas. It's frustrating, it's time-consuming, and it's holding us back from reaching our full potential. For far too long, we've been dealing with slow render times, sluggish performance, and a general lack of power. It's like trying to create a masterpiece with a bunch of mediocre tools. But what if I told you there's a new laptop on the block that's about to change everything? The MacBook Pro M4 Max is not just an incremental upgrade, it's a game changer. With its advanced processing power, AI capabilities, and sleek design enhancements, this laptop is designed to take your productivity and creativity to the next level. But what really sets it apart is its ability to learn and adapt to your workflow. Imagine having a laptop that can anticipate your needs, optimize its performance, and make your life easier. It's like having a personal assistant built right into your laptop. One of the most exciting features of the M4 Max is its advanced AI capabilities. This isn't just about throwing some AI buzzwords into a marketing campaign. This is real, tangible technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we work. With the M4 Max, you'll be able to tap into the power of machine learning and artificial intelligence to automate tasks, optimize your workflow, and unlock new levels of creativity. And let me tell you, it's a total paradigm shift. But what really gets me excited is the potential for customization and personalization. Imagine being able to train your laptop to recognize your workflow, your habits, and your preferences, and then using that information to make your life easier. It's like having a laptop that's been tailored specifically to your needs. And with the M4 Max, that's exactly what you get. The MacBook Pro M4 Max is more than just a laptop, it's a partner in your creative journey. It's a tool that's designed to help you push the boundaries of what's possible, to explore new ideas, and to bring your vision to life. And with its advanced AI capabilities, design enhancements, and processing power, it's the ultimate tool for anyone looking to take their work to the next level. In a nutshell, the MacBook Pro M4 Max is a total game changer. It's a laptop that's designed to make your life easier, to help you work more efficiently, and to unlock new levels of creativity. So what feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below.